Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to delete website from Hostinger. First of all, select the website, click on Manage. Scroll down, click on Auto Installer. Here is the list of the installed websites. To delete, just click on three dots, click Delete, select all and delete. Your website will be deleted in few seconds. Finally, you can see only 2 websites remaining. It means the website is deleted successfully. Download the free WordPress quick guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.